5 obvious signs of true love from a man. It is a beautiful sensation to be in love. You want it if you don't have it. However, we must be cautious with our emotions. They can be tricky at times, especially when intimacy is involved. It's quite easy to get carried away with this. Love leaves a trail of evidence. So how can you know if your partner is actually in love with you? When you first meet a guy, it's easy to be caught up in a love dream. But how can you know whether he truly loves you as the initial high wears off? We'll go over the most reliable indicators a guy will give you when he's actually in love with you in this video. Of course, do not forget to check the video description to find out what men secretly want in a relationship, which will help you make any man obsessed with you. Let's find out the first indication of true love. 1. Temptations cause him to flee. Men are mostly visual creatures. It's only normal for them to be attracted to beautiful and seductive ladies. If your partner truly cares about you, he will go beyond admiring your beauty. He would run away from the opportunity to flirt and hook up with an attractive lady. He makes a concerted effort to avoid being tempted. He takes away any chance of harming you. 2. He is humble. A man who loves you will keep his pride down, in addition to being patient and gentle. When you are at the pinnacle of your pride, love will make you selfless to the point of humility. He would choose to be the one to apologize in an argument, even though it was not his fault. His ambition to prove himself right outweighs his fear of losing you. 3. He's proud of you. When a man falls in love with you and thinks you're a fantastic lady, he'll want to show the rest of the world how wonderful you are. He wants to show the world he has you in his mind, often unintentionally, because it makes him appear good by raising his own social status. What man wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of a stunning woman? Even better, she chose him out of all the proposals she received. Regardless of what he tells you, if he hides you or avoids being seen with you, it's usually a red flag that something isn't right. Be cautious. A man who genuinely cares about you will be proud to be seen with you and will make every effort to include you in as many aspects of his life as possible. 4. He wants to protect you. When a man loves you, he will want to protect you more. He won't just protect you in the physical sense, though he will do that as well. His desire to protect you extends to any mental distress you may be experiencing. He cares about you and wants to keep you safe. Some males might be overprotective and go too far. You will feel suffocated and controlled if this occurs. When a man loves you, on the other hand, his default frame is to protect and shelter you from any potential hazards. 5. He respects. If your partner truly cares about you, he will not compel you to do things you don't want, only to satisfy his needs. He will also appreciate your choices rather than forcing you to follow his. He would honor your values and would not force you to make compromises. Well, if you're serious about learning how to make any man crazy over you, we suggest checking out the first link in this video's description under recommended solutions. It's a professional and strong psychology guide that will help you win him over, even if he wasn't specifically interested in you. That's all for today's video from Brainy Facts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be the first to know whenever we posted another interesting video like this. Thanks for watching.